Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist trainer and assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today I'm going to show you how to make a natural soft focus primer. Now let me show you just how easy it is. Today I'm going to show you how to make this naturally derived soft focus primer. Most primers are made out of synthetic materials like silicons to get that blurring effect, but this primer is made solely of naturally derived material. So I'll just show you. Just the difference in effect it gives on the skin. Now let's get to it. We will start with our hero ingredient, Natravel Gel, which will make up the base of the formula. Natravel is a 100% naturally derived elastomer gel with a really luxurious sensory appeal. It provides soft focus and blurring effects in addition to mattifying and shine reduction. The soft focus and blurring effects are created by light diffusing particles that scatter light when it hits the skin. This minimises the visibility of fine lines, pores and texture on the skin, giving the face an overall airbrushed finish. Mattifying and shine reduction effects are created by the absorption of excess sebum on the skin surface. This reduces unwanted shine that can make foundations slide, so it keeps the makeup in place for longer. To that, I will add a 100% naturally derived squalane alternative. This gives an elegant skin feel and a soft and velvety texture that is easily absorbed without leaving any greasy afterfeel. Now I'm just going to pop that on the mixer to smooth together. While that's on the mixer, I'll add in some Harmony Soft Fluid, which is a volatile, naturally derived alternative to cyclopentasiloxane. It spreads easily, improving overall sensory appeal with a light skin feel. Now, since I don't have any plant oils, I don't need to add any mixed tocopherol. Instead, I'm adding in some tocopherol acetate, which acts as an antioxidant to the skin, helping to protect the skin from oxidative stress from free radicals while offering anti-aging benefits. Vitamin E also helps to strengthen the skin's natural barrier function, reducing transepidermal water loss. Now that my liquid phase is all smooth and combined, I'm going to add in some silica, which gives the primer a silky dry touch finish, which makes the primer feel really weightless on the skin. Once that's all combined, take it off and you can pop it into a pump bottle to dispense. We have this beautiful clear lightweight primer, and I'll just show you how easy that pumps out and the difference that it makes on the skin. Just pop that on. You can see the difference with the blurring effects on the skin. This hand looks much softer than this hand. See? And that's how easy it is to make a natural soft focus primer. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for more free formulas. Happy formulating!